Okay, so we're going to start. So already I started about 3 unit. Unit number 1 is a DC circuit. Okay, and unit number 2. Unit number 2 is what is that one? It is where AC machines or DC machines. It is a DC machines. DC machines. Then unit number 3, that is your AC machines. So it is include for what is that, transformer also, transformer and AC machines. So why I'm saying transformer and AC machines means, AC machines means it is a motor or generator. So transformer also one of the AC operating device, but it is not a machines. Okay, so we'll go with that once. Okay, what is the first question? What is machines? So it is coming here. Why it is inserting that? Not enable. Okay, we're going to do the segregation later. I think no option about the segregations. Okay, first one. So what is machines? It is a question. What is machines? So it may be motor or generator. So you will go and write motor or generator. Okay, machines means it may be motor or generators. What is motor? What is motor? Motor means what? You will going to look it on the fan. So fan, how it is working, wire is going inside. So electrical energy into mechanical energy. Electrical energy into mechanical energy. So you need to tell. Okay, so what is motor means? Electrical wire is going inside into the mechanical energy. So that is about the motor. Then the next question. So example of the motor. So example of motor. What is the example of motor? You can say
Ceiling
immediately
fan.
example. Yes.
Ceiling
Ceiling
fan.
fan. See, okay. Ceiling fan. So you will go to fan. You can say, or what else? So fan, mixer. You will going to use as a mixie, grinder. So these are the example of about the motor. Okay, so immediately you want to know about the fan, either the table fan or the ceiling fan. You will going to immediately know. So why? Because wire is going inside, and then mechanical energy it will going to produce. So rotation is produced. So that is about the motor. If example dynamo. So dynamo is a motor? No. So motor example is only for fan. So fan is the example. Dynamo means it is a generator, generating the energy. Okay, then next question. What is generator? So generator means just opposite to the motor operation. Where is the motor operation? This one. So electrical energy into mechanical energy means, so here mechanical energy into
into electrical.
very
Into
good electrical
Electrical
energy.
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 Okay, then next question. What is a prime mover? What is a prime mover? So prime
The
mover
device
means,
produce
yes.
the device produce the mechanical energy output.
Okay, very good. The device produce mechanical energy output. That is a prime mover. Good. Then example of the prime mover.
turbine.
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 Okay, turbine.
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 Okay, what is AC motor?
And electrical energy.
What is AC motor?
Electrical.
And
AC
electrical
electrical
energy
energy
converted
to
into
mechanical
mechanical energy.
energy.
Okay, AC electrical energy as an input into mechanical energy.
Energy.
Mechanical energy. Similarly, what is DC motor? Same answer.
Energy input into mechanical energy.
So yes, same answer inside in front of DC electrical energy. as an input into mechanical energy. Okay. So this is the answer, this is the question. Okay, then how to get DC? Next question. How to get
Rectifier.
DC power supply? Yes, rectifier.
Rectifier.
For example, you can use the rectifier in your house. Are you using the rectifier in your house?
Yes, sir.
Where you are using?
Mobile charger.
Very good.
Mobile
Then
charger.
what is rectifier?
Convert AC to
Convert
DC.
Convert AC to DC.
Very good.
Energy.
Convert AC to DC.
DC.
Power supply. Okay, power supply. It will go to power supply. It is convert AC to DC. Simple term. Okay. Okay. I need constant power supply. So what you need? So what
Voltage
you
regulator.
need? Yes, that is called a voltage regulator. For example, I need constant 5 volt DC power supply. Constant 5 volt DC power supply. So what type of the voltage regulator needed? Question.
DC
What
voltage regulator.
type of voltage regulator? Yes, DC only. So I need constant DC wave. I need constant 5 volt DC power supply. What type of voltage regulator needed? 7805. The 05 is denoted for that one 5 voltage. Suppose the same question. I need constant 12 volt DC power supply. What type of voltage regulator do you need? Yes,
7812.
very good. 7812. That's all this is about. Maybe here I will going to add one more. This is a positive power supply. Suppose I need I need a constant minus 5 volt DC power supply needed. Minus 5 voltage. So what it is needed means, so here 78 instead of you can select the range is 7905. Can you tell me? I need a constant minus 12 voltage DC power supply. What I needed? What type of voltage regulator do I want to select? 7 9
791.
1 2.
1 2.
Good. Yes. Okay. Next question. What are the parameters in AC supply? What are the parameters?
Voltage and frequency.
Voltage and frequency.
Very good. Voltage and frequency.
Frequency.
Good. What is AC? AC means what?
Alternating current.
Alternating current.
Okay. Alternating current.
Current.
Okay. What is DC? This is a very small questions. Okay. Even you should be know. Okay. What is the DC?
Direct
Direct
current.
Direct current.
Current.
So what is waveform of AC supply?
Sine waveform.
Sine wave. Good. Okay. What is there in sine wave form? So what is
It
there
is
in
consist
sine
of
wave
zero
form?
positive and negative magnitude.
Yes, it is consisting of consists of 0, comma, positive and negative magnitude. Okay. What is waveform of DC supply? What is the waveform of
Pulsating
this?
waveform.
Pulsating
Pulsating
waveform.
Very good.
Waveform.
Pulsating waveform. So suppose I need the pure waveform. What to do? I need pure DC waveform. What to do? I need pure DC waveform. So what to do?
Constant with respect to time.
Yes? No, it's a
Constant with respect to time.
see pulsating DC waveform means what is a pulsating DC? So this is a your pulsating DC. What is a pulsating DC? That one you can look at. Is it visible my screen, my drawing?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
this is
sir.
the pulsating. What is the drawback of the pulsating? For example, voltage with respect to the time. So every time it will going to touch on the zero, 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 zero is touching. What is a pure DC waveform? Pure DC waveform means this waveform is replaced into like this is a time period, this is a voltage. Okay, x-axis, y-axis is the voltage. What is the waveform? It is going on the constant. If I needed this instead of this one, I need this one instead of this one. I don't want. Why? I don't want because it will go and touch on the zero every time. Okay, fluctuations. I don't want these ones. Then what to do means you can use the filter. You can use the filter. What is a filter means? It's a combination of the inductance and the capacitance. Okay, I need pure DC waveform. What to do? Its answer is use filter. That's all. So what is waveform of pure DC? So pure DC, what is a waveform? It is a constant. So
With
that is,
respect to time.
yeah, constant with respect to time. We will going to extend the with respect to
Time.
time. Yes, it's a constant waveform. So how to what is that one waveform? Like you will going to say. So it's a time period. Okay, with respect to here is a voltage waveform. So what about that one? Here is a waveform is going like sorry, it is a rise. No, here is a so x-axis, y-axis, constant. So this is about the pure DC waveform. So that's why getting the shock on the AC and DC. AC is getting shock, no problem. Why AC is getting shock means why? For example, unfortunately, you will going to touch on the plug point or wire, AC wire on line wire. You are touched. So one okay, what will happen after some certain second? You will going to your hand automatically move away from the that line. How? Because of the waveform is cross on the zero. When zero means no voltage, at the time your hand it will going to release. It will going to release. So that's why so AC is getting soft is no problem, but DC is a dangerous. It is no, you don't have any options. You don't have any options. I have also watched about one video, one person getting the suicide on the railway line. So railway line in that overhead line. Okay, when he was touched about that one, big blast happens because no options. It has no options about that one. So like about that one. Okay, coming to that one next questions. What is frequency in India? So what is the frequency in India?
50
50
hertz.
hertz.
50 hertz.
50 hertz.
50 hertz. H. So what is mean of 50 hertz? What is mean
50
of
cycle per
Cycle per
second.
second.
okay 50 cycles completed per second.
Second.
Okay, what is one cycle? What is one cycle? What is one
Consists of
cycle?
positive and negative magnitude.
Yes, this is a one cycle. Consists of the this is a one cycle. Consists of positive magnitude and a negative magnitude. Okay. what is the what are the parameters in DC? What are the
Voltage.
Voltage current is depends on load.
voltage and frequency? Shall I write voltage and frequency, or only what do I want to write voltage?
Only
Only
voltage.
voltage.
So
Only voltage.
no frequency on the DC power supply. Okay, then next one, current is depends on dash. Current is
Load.
depends on
Load.
the
Load.
load. So
Load.
whenever
Load.
your load is increase, your current values increase. The fan is operating on the which position? Either the high speed or low speed. If it is low speed, means current consumption is low. If it is high speed, means the current consumption is more. Okay, that is a load. Okay. So what is a DC generator? Do we discuss already what is a generator? Yes, we have okay, then discussed. Okay, then tell me what is oh, the insert button is not enabled. Okay, what is DC generator? What is generator? Mechanical
Mechanical
energy.
energy into DC
Mechanical energy into DC electrical current.
Very good. Mechanical energy into DC electrical energy. DC electrical energy. Okay. What is alternator?
AC generator.
AC generator.
Generator.
Suppose I am asking what is another name of alternator, that is called a AC generator. GNER. Okay, what is alternator? It will convert mechanical energy into AC electrical energy. Okay. What is single phase AC power supply voltage? What is the value?
220 volt.
220
230
volt.
volt.
230.
230
230.
voltage.
230 volt.
Is this two phase AC power supply voltage? What is the AC? Okay, what is phase to phase AC power supply voltage? 440
440 voltage.
voltage.
440 volt.
Okay, what is the angle difference between the two phases? Example, R phase to Y phase. What is the angle difference?
120.
120 degree.
120.
Okay. Next one. When current flow to the circuit. When current flow to the circuit should be
Close.
Close.
yes. The circuit
Close.
should be closed condition. Okay. Okay. When circuit is open, does current does current is
Net flow. Net flow.
not flow. Okay. How to connect ammeter in the circuit? How to connect the ammeter? How to connect the ammeter in the circuit?
Series. Series.
Series.
In series.
Okay. How to connect the voltmeter in the circuit?
Parallel.
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 Parallel. Good. One. If ammeter is connected in parallel, what will happen?
Short circuit.
Short circuit.
Short
Short
circuit.
circuit.
Ammeter. Very good. So ammeter is connected in parallel. What will happen? So does the current is a flow, or does it will go to short circuit? Means it will become a short circuit. Short circuit means it will go to blast. Okay, then what is voltage?
Potential difference.
Potential difference.
Okay, yeah, potential difference, simple terms. Okay, so between 2 point, that is called a voltage. What is current?
Flow of the
Flow of
electron.
electron.
Flow of
Flow
electron.
Flow of electron.
Flow of the electron. The unit is you can denote it is amps. Okay. What is power?
Work done upon time. Work done by time period.
Work done by
done
time
by time
period.
period.
Work done, you can say, or you can say about energy divided by time. What is unit of DC power? What is, sorry, not unit, what is the formula?
Voltage into current.
Voltage into current.
Very good. What is the formula of DC power? P is equal to V into I, voltage into current. So what is the formula for AC single phase? AC single phase power
Pi cos phi.
supply. Correct. So same formula, int cos pi. What is cos pi? It is nothing but what is the cos pi?
Angle between V into I.
Yes, I am not asking. Yes, correct. That is the angle between V and I. What is cos pi? First one. It is a power factor.
Power vector.
What is power factor? That is a cos pi denoted. It is a okay cosine of the angle between V into I. Cosine of angle between V and I. Sin, sin, sin. Even that is the angle. The next one, types of AC power supply. What are the types?
Single phase and
Single phase,
three
three
phase.
phase.
Yeah, single phase and three phase. Okay. What are the types of AC motor?
Induction motor and synchronous motor.
Yes, induction motor and synchronous motor. I am written on short form. Okay. 95 percentage use motor
Induction motor.
on practical application. Practical application. What motor? What is the motor used on 95 percentage on? Okay. What is the motor? What is the motor used on 95 percentage on practical conditions or a practical application? What is the motor?
Induction.
Yes, induction motor. So where synchronous motor is used? Where synchronous motor is used? It will going
Tra-
to use on the yes.
transmission line industry.
Okay, transmission line and industry. Okay, what is another name of induction motor?
A synchronous motor. A synchronous motor.
A synchronous motor. Okay. What is synchronous motor?
Constant speed motor.
Very good. constant speed motor. What is asynchronous motor?
Not constant speed motor.
Below the synchronous speed. Synchronous speed. Below the synchronous speed. Almost it is constant, but below the synchronous. What is the synchronous speed means? Synchronous speed means your rated speed. What is your rated speed? I am capable to run on the 10 km per hour speed. My like your vehicles, like your vehicle you can take. What is your vehicle? You have the vehicle, one electrical vehicle you have, cycle vehicle. What is your speed? It is a 10 km per hour. Okay, that is your rated speed. But if you have synchronous motor means yes, it will going to rotate on the 10 km per hour. But as 10 km it will going to run. But asynchronous motor means it will going to run below the rated speed, 9 km per hours it will going to run. That's all. Do you understand the difference between synchronous motor and asynchronous motor?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Dash is rotating device. Machines. Machines
Machine.
is a rotating. What is static device? Static means what? It is a constant device.
It, it does
Yes,
not rotate.
yes.
Transformer.
That does not rotate. That is a what is that one means? Transformer.
Transformer.
Yes. Static device means what? Means what? So you can say
Does not rotate.
Not
it
does not
yes
rotate.
does not rotate. Transformer operate on dash power supply.
DC
DC
power
power
supply.
supply. DC power supply.
Yes, AC or DC?
DC.
No,
AC.
no,
AC.
no. Transformer
AC.
never operate on the DC power supply.
Yes, AC.
Yes.
DC.
So maybe transformer never operate on dash power supply.
DC power supply.
DC.
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 DC. If power supply applied to if DC power supply if DC power supply applied to transformer, what will happen?
It will
It will
damage.
damage. Damage.
Yes, it will get damaged. Okay. Why transformer is not work or operate on DC power supply?
Transformer work on mutual induction principle.
Yes. So transformer work on mutual induction principle. Uh, okay. Transformer operate on the dash principle. Transformer operate on dash principle. Can I get your
Mutual
answer?
induction.
Yes, mutual induction. Faraday's law of the mutual induction. Okay, induction motor operate on dash principle.
Electromagnetic mutual induction.
Same mutual induction. Mutual,
Induction.
yes. Same what transformer operate the same. So what is another name of induction motor?
Rotating transformer.
Rotating
Transformer.
transformer.
Rotating transformer.
Rotating
Transformer.
transformer. Good. What are the types of DC motor?
DC combo motor, DC shunt motor, DC series motor.
Okay, good. Shunt motor, series motor, and combo motor. Okay. What are the two coils in DC machines? What are the two coils in DC machines?
Armature coil and field coil.
And field coil.
Armature and field coil. What is DC shunt motor? Armature and field coil connected
Parallel.
in shunt, or another name is called parallel. Good. So now tell me, what is DC series motor?
Armature coil and field coil connected with series.
Okay, armature and field coil are connected in series connections. What is DC compound motor?
Armature coil and
Armature coil and field coil
field
connected
coil connected parallel.
in series parallel.
Okay, very good. Connected in series
In
and parallel.
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 Yes, correct. What are the two parts on machines? What are
Straight
the two
rotor.
parts? Yes, stator and rotor. What is stator? Stator is a stationary one. Stationary coil is molded, or stationary coil mold or wounded, or you can connected, you can say mounted or okay, stationary coil, okay, or connected. Stationary one. Stator is a stationary coil. Stationary coil, that is a simple. Okay. What is rotor? Rotor is a rotating rotating coil. Yes. What is Kirchhoff current law? Incoming current, it is equal to,
Outgoing current.
yes, incoming current, it is equal to outgoing
How to
current. What is Kirchhoff voltage law?
Potential rise equal to potential drop.
Potential rise, it is equal to potential drop. Okay. What is shunt? Shunt means what?
Parallel.
Shunt, yes. What is meaning? Meaning of shunt? Shunt means it is a parallel. Okay. Okay, what is constant speed motor? What is constant speed motor?
DC sh-
DC.
DC shunt.
Yes. So why do you want to know or study about the shunt motor? Means it's a constant speed motor. So what is variable speed motor means? That is called a
DC series motor.
series motor. That is the differentiation. Okay. So what motor do you select for I starting torque? I have, what motor do you select for I starting torque?
DC series.
This series motor.
Series motor. Example for that one is a lift. So lift is needed high starting torque before it will going to start to run. Okay. So what are the types of speed control method? What are the types?
Armature controller.
Armature control method, field control method.
Very good. So armature coil, so armature control and field. Field or another name, or you can say sometimes flux control method. But field they will use, sometimes they will going to use the word flux also. Hundred percentage of load applied to motor is denoted for what? 100% load applied to the motor is denoted in terms of what? Denoted in terms of what?
Rated current.
Rated current. So I have applied 100% of the load to the motor. So it is denoted in terms of the rated current. Yes. When load is increased, what about the current? Or what is the
Current
relation
increase.
about the current?
Current is increased.
Also increase.
Current also increase. Okay. What is efficiency? What is efficiency? What is our efficiency?
Output power upon input power.
Input upon input power. Okay. What is power rating or what is power rating of transformer? What is the power rating of transformer? What is the power rating of transformer, or how to denote the power? How to denote the power rating? How to denoted the power rating of transformer? Yes, VA, KVA, MVA, like it is denoted. Okay. How to denoted the power rating of machines? So machines either motor or generator, watt. It will come to denoted the watt. So 10 kilowatt, like, or it will come to denote 100 kilowatt. How to measure the power on practical conditions? How to measure the power
Wattmeter.
practically?
Wattmeter.
How to measure the power practically? Watt meter. Watt meter. Okay. How to find the current rating of transformer? For example, I1 current. How to find?
VA upon V1.
VA rating. VA rating. That's why V, not V upon. VA rating of transformer divided by V1. Okay. So what is Ohm's law? V is equal to
IR.
I
I
into
into R. Okay. Two resistors are connected in series. What about the R equivalent?
R1 plus R2.
R1 plus R2.
R equivalent is
R1
equal to
plus R2
R1.
plus R3.
Okay, three resistance you are saying. Okay. Two resistors are connected in parallel. So what about R equivalent?
R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2.
Okay, multiplication divided by addition. R1 into R2 upon. Then small problem. I will going to type. Time also reached. Then we're going to close. We will fastly. We'll go to complete. Okay, what is necessity? What is necessity of starter to minimize
Starting current.
Starting current, AV current.
starting current? Energy meter is uses to measure what?
How many energy
Consumption
How
of
consumed
many
with
names you
respect to
can
hour?
use with respect to hours?
consumed energy with respect to time. Hours. Time in bracket hours. So time. So how many energy consumed with respect to time? What is unit of energy meter? What is the unit?
Watt hour.
Kilowatt hour.
Yes, kilowatt hours. Or you will go to small rating means watt hour. Okay, it will go to denoted. Direction of direction of motor rotation is okay. Direction of motor rotation is uh, direction of rotation of motor uh, decided by decided by dash
Chinese left
law
hand rule.
dash rule. Yes, Fleming's left hand rule.
Hand rule.
Yes. So direction of motor. Okay, direction of generator
Right hand rule. Right hand rule.
rotation is decided by dash Fleming right hand rule. So what is the short form I said? Sorry, not short form. Easy to remember terms I said.
Real money.
L money. Good, nice. Okay, middle okay finger is denoted denoted for
Magnetic
Current.
flux. Current. Magnetic. Current.
no
Current.
current
Current.
current flow. Forefinger
Flux. Flux.
is denoted for
Flux. Flux.
magnetic flux or field. You can say thumb finger is denoted for
Rotation.
rotation.
Direction of
Direction of
motion.
motion.
Direction of
Direct,
motion.
direction of motion or direction of rotation, you can say. So what are the parts already we have? Okay, what is starter? Okay, already discussed. What is the stator? Okay, stationary part of the machines. Okay, what is the coil used on the DC machines? Okay, uh, which coils which coil used on stator of DC machines?
Field
Machines.
coil.
Field coil.
Which coil used on
Field
stator of DC machine?
Field
Field
coil.
coil. Okay. What coil used on rotor of DC machine?
Armature
Rotor
coil.
of armature
Coil.
coil. Okay. Okay. Brush is made up of
Graphite.
made up of
Graphite.
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 Okay. Use of the brush or purpose of the brush brush in machines. What is the
Supply
purpose of the
current.
brush?
Supply the current or extract the current.
Supply current or
What is the purpose of the brush in machines?
Current.
Yes, what is the purpose? What
Extract
is
the
it?
current.
Supply the current or extract the current. What is the meaning? Supply the current means when it is a motor, supply the current. Extracted the current means when it is generator, it will going to extract the current. That's all. So these all are the MCQ we were discussed. Okay. So I will share the video. You will going to go through and come to the next class.